This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Deborah Baisden. Beautifully appointed and updated brick ranch on nearly an acre lot with mature landscaping, in-ground pool and deck. Complete kitchen renovation in 2020 with 42 soft close cabinets, stainless appliances and vent hood, gas stove, double ovens, granite counters, and china cabinet in eat-in area. Windows replaced 2 years ago and warranty conveys. Complete bathroom renovations between 2020 and 2021. New gas logs in 2020, pool liner replaced 8 years ago, pump in 2021. Plenty of hardwood flooring, wet bar, HVAC gas pack replaced in 2015 as well as duct work and trunk line, water heater 2016, attic insulated with cellulose 2016, and so much more. Pool is chlorine.